The Tesla Cybertruck has been one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of the decade, and in 2025, it finally makes its grand entrance into the mainstream market. With its futuristic design, impressive specifications, and cutting-edge technology, the Cybertruck is redefining what it means to own a truck in the 21st century. Tesla's vision for a tough, high-performance, all-electric truck is no longer a distant dream but a reality that has the potential to revolutionize the pickup truck industry. From the moment you lay eyes on the Cybertruck, it is clear that this is not an ordinary vehicle. Its angular, stainless steel exoskeleton is unlike anything seen on the road before. The body is made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, making it resistant to dents, corrosion, and even small arms fire. This material choice ensures durability and longevity while giving the truck an aggressive, almost military-like aesthetic. The vehicle's design eliminates the need for paint, reducing maintenance and repair costs while adding to its rugged appeal. Its sharp edges and geometric form make it look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, a drastic departure from traditional pickup designs. Beyond its bold aesthetics, the Cybertruck is packed with performance features that put it ahead of both electric and gas-powered competitors. Tesla offers multiple variants, including single-motor rear-wheel drive, dual-motor all-wheel drive, and the high-performance tri-motor version, also known as the Cyberbeast. The Cyberbeast boasts a staggering 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of just 2.6 seconds. Making it one of the fastest trucks ever produced. Even the dual-motor variant can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, a remarkable feat for a vehicle of its size. Range anxiety is one of the biggest concerns with electric vehicles, but Tesla has addressed this with impressive battery technology. Depending on the model, the Cybertruck offers a range between 250 and 500 miles on a single charge, ensuring it can handle long road trips, off-road adventures, and daily commutes without frequent charging stops. Tesla's vast supercharger network, which continues to expand globally, makes recharging quick and convenient, with the latest V4 superchargers providing even faster charging speeds. The Cybertruck is built with functionality in mind, offering a robust payload and towing capacity that rivals traditional gas-powered trucks. The truck bed, referred to as the vault, features a 6.5-foot-long cargo space with a built-in tongue cover, keeping cargo secure and protected. With a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds in the highest trim, the Cybertruck can handle trailers, boats, and heavy-duty loads with ease. Its adaptive air suspension further enhances its versatility, allowing the ride height to be adjusted for improved off-road capability or streamlined highway efficiency. Stepping inside the Cybertruck, the interior maintains Tesla's minimalist design philosophy while incorporating innovative features. The cabin is spacious, with seating for 6 and a futuristic dashboard dominated by a 17-inch touchscreen display. Tesla's latest software powers the infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity, over-the-air updates, and access to a range of entertainment and navigation features. The yoke-style steering wheel, first introduced in the Model S Plaid, adds to the high-tech driving experience, though traditional wheel options are also available. Autonomous driving is another major highlight of the Cybertruck. Equipped with Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) technology, the truck is capable of advanced driver assistance features, including automatic lane changes, highway navigation, and traffic-aware cruise control. While full autonomy is still in development, the Cybertruck continues to improve with software updates, bringing it closer to achieving fully self-driving capabilities in the near future. Off-road performance is a key selling point for the Cybertruck, setting it apart from other electric trucks. The vehicle's high ground clearance, adjustable suspension, and all-wheel drive system make it well suited for rugged terrains, whether it's rocky trails, sandy dunes, or muddy paths. Its rigid structure and low center of gravity, thanks to the placement of its battery pack, contribute to excellent stability and handling on rough surfaces. The Cybertruck is also equipped with multiple drive modes to optimize performance based on the terrain, making it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Safety has always been a priority for Tesla, and the Cybertruck is no exception. The stainless steel exoskeleton provides exceptional structural integrity, reducing the risk of damage in the event of an accident. Tesla's advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and a reinforced passenger compartment, make it one of the safest trucks on the market. Additionally, its large crumple zones and strategically placed airbags enhance occupant protection, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. In terms of customization, Tesla offers various accessories and add-ons to enhance the Cybertruck's utility. Owners can equip it with solar panels on the tongue cover for extra charging on the go, a camper add-on for overnight stays in the wilderness, and a modular storage system for organizing gear. These options make the Cybertruck not just a vehicle but a versatile tool for work, travel, and exploration. One of the biggest advantages of the Cybertruck is its cost-effectiveness compared to traditional gas-powered trucks. With lower maintenance costs, reduced fuel expenses, and potential tax incentives for electric vehicles, the total cost of ownership is significantly lower over time. The absence of an internal combustion engine means fewer moving parts, reducing the likelihood of mechanical failures and costly repairs. Additionally, Tesla's commitment to sustainability aligns with the growing demand for eco-friendly transportation, making the Cybertruck an appealing choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Tesla's impact on the automotive industry cannot be overstated, and the Cybertruck represents a significant step toward an all-electric future. Competing with traditional truck manufacturers such as Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram, Tesla has proven that electric trucks can be just as, if not more, capable than their gas-powered counterparts. With increasing EV adoption, improvements in charging infrastructure, and advancements in battery technology, the Cybertruck is positioned to be a game-changer in the pickup segment. Despite its many strengths, the Cybertruck does face some challenges. Its polarizing design has divided opinions, with some loving its futuristic aesthetic while others find it too unconventional. Additionally, initial production delays and supply chain issues have affected delivery timelines, but Tesla has ramped up manufacturing efforts to meet demand. As production scales and new versions are introduced, the Cybertruck is expected to become more refined, with potential enhancements based on customer feedback. Looking ahead, the Cybertruck is likely to set new standards for electric trucks and inspire further innovation in the automotive industry. With its unparalleled combination of performance, durability, and advanced technology, it offers a glimpse into the future of transportation. Whether used for work, adventure, or daily driving, the Cybertruck is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of progress and a testament to Tesla's commitment to pushing boundaries. For those considering making the switch to an electric truck, the Cybertruck presents an exciting opportunity. It challenges the norms of traditional vehicle design while delivering exceptional performance and utility. As electric vehicles continue to gain traction, Tesla remains at the forefront, proving that the future of trucks is not just electric, it's revolutionary. The Cybertruck isn't just here to compete, it's here to lead.